appropriately, and we give returns to the Office of the Registrar of Political Party. Once we file our returns with the Office of the Registrar of Political Party, you are able to get your next disbursement. We want to challenge the Orange Democratic Party to keep their books well, because they do not file returns of their monies that are being disbursed to them. The secretariat at ODM has got only 3 members. I know Benson Musungu and some 2 other fellas, Etale and some 2 other fellas there. UDA party prides of the fact that we have more than 200 members of the staff at the secretariat. We pay salaries, we do grassroots registration, we do programs. Tell me, since when have you ever seen ODM party conducting a party grassroots recruitment since the establishment of ODM party? And therefore we call upon them to stop misappropriating monies from the exchequer.
We actually advise them.
We advise them to come for benchmarking at the UDA headquarters. Yes. Thank you. So you can do Kisi.
Okay. Mbiamono sana. Bono again to geto begetega abarai ba Kurukisi County na Nyamira mbarega eto ari gukonerega mana bete bumachoke burabu ntu atangasi tuna barai tuachakire kiombe kio bosani tutaite guchangira chikanisa 100 chia Gusii both Kisii na Nyamira ntu aunchukana na ntu achakirete kitu tuchache north tukagenda south Mugirango tukagenda Ozairi Janda na nkwenda Toro tukagenda west Mugirango ere Nyamira tukagenda north Mugirango ere Onyamoko naende ntu achite bonchari bono etani ye yarenge eyabo machoge borabo chikanisa echi chigotwarigani ntuntu kwereta sekanisa echigotwarigani chiyoka chiate na mbono tukubarikarbisha mutwarigani tafadhali ntore tayari etutatu kwagacha chikanisa mwaka oyo kero gutaraga abo ikoyo ne chinse chinde chikanisa chiaga chiribuya kabisa buya kabisa bakekera togenda magendero ye chi school tunyure ne chikanisa. So that is why tukabikana tukateba tutatu kwagacha chikanisa 100 Gusii onde bwensi murayi onde bwensi gotaite go to join aboyo ODM aboyo chama inde yonze aba independent ato join bone egende ke tuwa Saturday Sunday ekiana ngichikanisa chetu chia PAG chiatakire gotoka aria twari gochangira ari Kenya etono ekara twakorete omuchanga nabo chagete bia ikanisa twaswete saa 3 omujumbe bwe area yuna abete invited agatebwe nerache naba pastor ba mu invited titalintwe abara ibonsi pipagacha tugatenga tugatera liro mo pastor utaite kurandi